Hey everybody, welcome back for another video on Dad Bear DIY. Today we're going to be changing out the HVAC Blower Resistor on our 1999 Jeep Cherokee. We need to change this out because our fan controls, we only get fan engagement when we put it on full blast. So of the 4 settings, 1, 2, and 3 don't work, and 4 does work. Was an intermittent problem, now it has become steady, so we're going to go ahead and replace this part. I'm going to go ahead and show you the part number. Ordered this off Amazon. Hopefully it works. And this is what the part looks like. Real easy job. The only thing you need is a 5/16 or 8mm socket. We're going to have 4 screws to remove. The first 2 hold this plastic cover in place. I've already started to loosen them, so this doesn't take as much time. You've got one right here. And then over here, it's a little bit harder to reach, but it's definitely not that bad. Right here. And again, this is a plastic cover, so these shouldn't be too hard to get off. Just be careful when you're tightening them up that you don't over tighten and crack the plastic. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and remove this one. And then we're going to pull this back. Alright guys, well, I was unintentionally misinforming you guys. There are 3 screws actually. And one of them, I'm going to try to get up here so I can show you, is behind the glove box. Right there. Last time I had to do this, there was no screw in there and it just came out. So if you need to take the glove box off, you've got 3 Phillips head screws right here. Pretty easy. Let's go ahead and take this one off there. You can see that piece will just drop. There we go. All right, so that piece is on the floor now. Okay, and from there, you can see right here is our blower motor resistor. So you're gonna pull this red tab out, try not to break it. There we go. And then just unplug that. There we go. All right, just tuck that up out of the way. And then got 2 5/16 or 8mm screws right here. And then you can just pull that out. A lot of dirt and buildup in there. That may have been what was causing the problem. And we'll take the new one and we'll put it in. Installation is the reverse of the removal process. There we go. So we'll go ahead and put the cover back on, get the glove box reinstalled, and then we'll check to see if our fan's working. Just so you guys don't think I forgot a step. Remember to plug your connector back in. Push your red clip in. There you go. All right. We'll put that cover back on and we'll get right back. All right. We're just gonna hang this in front. Put the vents on. We're blowing. So that's low. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, that did it. So that was changing the HVAC blower motor resistor in a 99 Jeep Cherokee. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. I hope this helps if you needed it, and I look forward to the rest of the projects we have planned for the rest of the year. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and be safe. Bye-bye.